Right now, inside the human body, one of the most remarkable journeys in all of biology is about to begin. It starts here, inside the ovary. And at the center of this journey is a single microscopic cell, an egg. The journey of a human egg. A person born with ovaries enters the world with roughly 1 to 2 million immature eggs called oocytes already waiting inside them. By puberty, most of these will have been lost. Only around 300,000 remain. Each month, triggered by a surge of hormones from the brain, specifically FSH, or follicle-stimulating hormone, a group of follicles wakes up. These follicles compete. They grow rapidly, feeding on estrogen, but only one, the dominant follicle, will win this race. The winner is called the Graafian follicle, and inside it, floating in fluid, is the egg. Now comes the trigger. The pituitary gland releases a powerful hormone surge, LH, luteinizing hormone. It hits the follicle like a starting pistol. The follicle wall weakens. Enzymes begin to digest the outer layer. Pressure builds inside. And then, ovulation. The egg is released. The egg doesn't travel alone. It's wrapped in a protective cloud of cells called the cumulus oophorus, a kind of cellular armor. But it's vulnerable. It has only 12 to 24 hours to reach safety. Waiting nearby is the fallopian tube. Its feathery ends, called fimbriae, sweep rhythmically, creating gentle currents that guide the egg toward the opening. Inside the tube, thousands of microscopic hair-like structures, cilia, beat in coordinated waves, slowly moving the egg toward the uterus. The egg's journey through the fallopian tube takes 3 to 4 days. This narrow tube, barely the width of a pencil, is where life-changing encounters happen. If sperm are present, millions of them released at once, racing upstream, fertilization can occur right here, in the upper third of the tube. The sperm must penetrate 2 protective layers, and the moment one succeeds, the egg instantly locks the door, releasing a chemical wave that prevents any others from entering. From here, one of 2 things happens. If fertilized, the egg, now called a zygote, begins dividing immediately, even while still traveling. By the time it reaches the uterus, it has become a blastocyst, ready to implant into the uterine wall. If unfertilized, the egg simply breaks down within 12 to 24 hours. The body quietly dismantles it, and the menstrual cycle continues its rhythm. Meanwhile, back at the ovary, the empty follicle doesn't just disappear, it transforms into a new structure, the corpus luteum, which secretes progesterone to prepare the uterus, just in case. Every month, roughly 400 times in a lifetime, this remarkable sequence plays out. A single egg, chosen from thousands, makes a journey measured in millimeters that can change the entire course of human existence. Biology, it turns out, has always been extraordinary. You just needed to see it up close. If you found this journey fascinating, subscribe for more deep dives into the human body.